Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Libra. This reading is for the last week of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Libra. And these are your feelings towards them. Libra, these are your feelings and these are your person feelings, and the energy could be reverse also. So let's see your person current feelings towards this connection or you. 10 of Swords and 9 of Pentacles, Death and Knight of Pentacles. So, and your feelings towards them. I don't read reverse cards. Abundance and Adventure, Experience, 9 of Swords, Sorrow. Adventure means Page of Pentacles. Abundance means King of Pentacles. Experience means 3 of Wands and 9 of Swords. Your person undergoes some transformation right now because there are some cycles ending between both of you. 10 of Swords and Death, absolutely some cycles endings, and there are some new cycles are going to be start between both of you. 9 of Pentacles. Lot of readings got this card. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Fire Sign also, Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely your person want to offer commitment to you, but it is slow. It is coming. Knight of Pentacles is slow but coming. Death. I think your person could be Scorpio also. Definitely Death means is very positive card. Spiritually awakening your person. Some cycles are going to be begin, and after the spiritual awakening they're feeling like very independent, but they want to offer stability to this connection and your feelings towards them. Page of Pentacles here. Some communication is going to be start between both of you, and Abundance, King of Pentacles, and Experience, 3 of Wands. Means 3 of Wands means long distance relationship. This could be you are waiting for this person to come to you, but your person is coming but slow, but because there is some transformation is going in your personal life, because you without your person you feeling like stuck, not happy, you couldn't sleep at night times. So but your person is coming, you have to trust the process. Abundance, King of Pentacles. Your person want to offer long-term commitment to you because King of Pentacles is long-term commitment. It is coming because Knight to King. You want to offer stability to this connection. Your person is ready to accept your offer, but it will take time. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Libra. King of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. Yes, one person is at some crossroads, 2 of Pentacles juggling, and Queen of Swords. One person is very clear. I think it is you. You want this connection, and you are very clear. If your person want this connection, you will accept. Otherwise, you are like cutting that person completely out of your life. Your attitude like this. But your person right now is at some crossroads, definitely, because your person undergoes some transformation. After the transformation they will come towards you and offer stability to you. So let's see some more information. What about Libra, about this connection from universe? 8 of Cups, and from their side Hierophant. I already told you it is coming. Okay, outcome Lovers. Your person could be Gemini. See, definitely your person will offer marriage or commitment to you, definitely, because after the transformation they realize your worth. They will realize your worth. I think it will take long time, then you feel like exhausted and walking away. When you walk away, things out of the blue, your person will appear and offer commitment to you. Please don't give up. If you want to this connection, you have to patient, otherwise it's up to you. You have to wait or not. It's totally your decision, because you both love each other unconditionally. Your person could be Gemini, or you could be Gemini also, the Lovers. So definitely it's coming. Your person will offer commitment to you, but this will take time because due to transformation. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.